Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As in shown in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone's PIN pattern and password. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend, your phone has been locked due to PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method, what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before we fail this video, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone may be deleted. Okay. So, before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing that I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone could not unlock with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this, you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and watch this video with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, for my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. Now you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network is showing in my phone. It means firstly I will have to convert my phone on airplane mode, or all the network or telecommunication or Wi-Fi network should be closed. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. You will get a lots of key on the display. You can see here. You can also see there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. Now you can see here I have activated my phone's airplane mode or flights mode. Okay. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed. Now my phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before go to the unlocking method, there is one more thing you will have to do with your phone. All the background running application should be closed before going to the unlocking method. So generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close the background running application. Okay, and this secret code updates within 2 or 3 days. So today's recent secret code, what I am going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. You will get an option of an emergency call option at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. You will have to simply click on this emergency call option button. When you will click on emergency call button option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now the secret code for the closing all the background running application I am going to give you. You will have to feed this secret code in this dialing pad. And today's secret code is *999, then *00, then *888, then *1 2 and 5. After this you will have to click on hash button. Now you will have to call on this secret code at the first time, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process same 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times, all the background running application will be closed now. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method or engineer's mode. Now after this, you will have to clear this call log like this. Completely clear this call log. Now a USSD code what I am going to give you is used to go on engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. Okay, and this USSD code is *899 then hash. After clicking on this USSD code, you will reach to a new page. That page name is engineer's mode. You can see here. It's also known as master unlocking mode. Okay. Now you will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here. You can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. You can see here. You will have to go with this option because all the options has the specific function, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. You will have to simply go with this option. And when you will click on software version, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. You can see here. The first option you can see here is showing here your phone's model number. That's RMX2117. You will have to simply ignore this option. you can see here the second option is showing here Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13, 11 or 10, and if your phone is showing here Android version 11, it means you will have to click on this option 11 times continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 12, it means I will have to click on this option 12 times continuously. So I am going to click on this option 12 times. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking has been done. Simply you will have to go with the back button after this step, and when you will click on this back button, you can see here you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version, that is manual test option. You can see here that is manual test option. Now you will have to go with this manual test option. When you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page. You can see here the page is assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this until you reach to the page of others. Now you can see at the end of this page you will reach to the option of other, and on the other option you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test, the second option is the read write important lock test, third option is key status, and the fourth option is database version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, either mainboard version, but both options have the same function but the different name. So don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this database version or mainboard version 9 times continuously like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now your second step has been done. Now you can see here at the second number there is an option of a read write important lock test. Now you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will ask to confirm this option. But at the first time you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to simply cancel this. Again you will have to do the same process second time and the third time. But at the fourth time when you will click on this option, now at the fourth time you will have to okay this option, and when you will give a OK option on this option, now your phone's forgotten pin pattern and passwords are reconstruction mode. Okay, now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password or face lock. Okay, now what you have to do, the last step what I am going to give you is most important, and every step whatever I have given in this video is most important. If you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. So after this you will have to watch the video again. Okay, so watch this video properly and follow the every step properly. Okay, after that your phone will be unlocked 100%. Okay, now the last step what I am going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here there is an option of a device debugging option. You can see here. Now you will get an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option. At the 6th number you can see here sensor self-test and calibration option. Now you will have to simply click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will also get a 2 type of option or 3 option or 1 option on your phone's display. So simply don't worry about this. If you are getting 3 options, then you will have to click on all 3 options continuously until you get a single test passed message. Now you can see here both the options are showing here operation not started. Now simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these options. Okay, so you can see here test has been started, the second option test has been started, but the both options are showing here test failed. Now it means I will have to click on this option again, and I will have to click on both options until I get a single test passed message. Okay, so I will click on these options again. Now you can see a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. Okay, it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to simply check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So what will I do to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. Now I will click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So you can see here, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my phone when my phone was not locked as it is as in my phone. So this trick really works. If your phone unlocked with this trick, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this video, then follow my channel and wait for upcoming videos. So see you in the next video with the next trick. Thank you so much.